my channel. So today I tried to recreate one of Mmmmitchell on Instagram's makeup looks. I'll insert the photo of the one I tried to recreate right here now. Yeah, I tried to recreate it because I did a video a few days ago, actually, maybe last week. I showed you guys how to do Instagram makeup, sort of show you guys how I'd recreate some of the looks I've seen them do. But this is me actually trying to copy one of his looks. Like, that was me sort of taking stuff I'd seen from both of them and sort of creating one of my own looks from it. This is literally just me copying.
We love an original sister.
This is how it turned out. So if you guys like the look of it and want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. Before I let you watch the video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you are new, and turn on my little post notification bell as well. Also make sure to follow me on all my social medias because they are in the description box. You know me and I've got to get that promo in. Please ignore my eyelash. I know it's popping off my inner corner, but I couldn't be asked to stick it back on. Keep on watching to see how to get this makeup. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did one eye off camera. Now to try do that on this eye. So I started off by taking the Carnival palette by Stacey Marie. I think this is like my favorite palette now. I keep using it and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. What is it called? Wasted. And this is gonna be my first shade. I'm taking this on a MAC 217. I'm sort of creating like a C shape in my eye. By the way, I've already primed my eyelids with the P. Louise eye base in the shade 0.5. Yeah, I wanted to use a nice light base so that the shadows would appear more vibrant on my eyes. I'm just taking super light motions to blend this through. Then I'm gonna go in with a blue. I'm not blending it yet, I'm just packing the shadow on. Going in with the shade Sky on a Luxe Petite Crease brush by Zoeva. And I'm taking this slightly above my natural crease. Yeah, so I just took that blue shade slightly above my crease. I'm not really blending them yet, I'm just packing the shades on. Going back in with the purple. Okay, I went in with the pink next, so I'm mixing together Funky and Foolish. These two shades right here. It's like a bright pink and like a coral shade. And just putting this slightly above. Okay, so that pink is on there. I'm gonna blend them together slightly. So I'm gonna blend out the purple with the pink. This is not going to plan. My friend distracted me and now this is happening on my eye. I'm gonna go in with the shade Lit and Keen. Love showing that, great beauty guru. I'm gonna mix these two shades together, Lit, which is this one, and Keen, which is this one. I'm gonna take this above where I put the other one. So I'm gonna take that pink shade again, just sort of between them. That was so literate, I know. So I'm just gonna blend the blue shade slightly just with a clean blending brush. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the more of the P. Louise eye base to cut my lid. I did use the white one on the other eye, but I'm just gonna use the like slightly more skin color one on this eye because it doesn't really make that big a difference because it's still super light. Okay, so I now went in with the green shade, and for that I mixed together the shades Keen and what is this one called? Mint, which is like a mint kind of green. Never would have guessed. And I'm gonna take that on a brush, but I can't find which brush here. Just mix them together and I sort of like mix it on the back of my hand. And then I blended that out with the pink again, so I'm just going in with Funk. Make sure you use clean brushes for each shade so you don't sort of blend them together because you want to make sure there's like a clear distinction between each shade that you're using. So if you like use the same brush, it's not really gonna work. Okay, so I'm taking the NYX white eyeliner and I'm gonna put this like...
Don't fucking try me, Queenie.
Okay, so I'm gonna apply the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade, what is this one? Vivid Sapphire? Yeah, and I'm gonna apply that on my top lash line.
They look different and it's pissing me off.
Okay, cool, so now let's move on to the face. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab all my face products and then I'll be back with you guys. So guys, my face is already moisturized and primed because
I'm organized like that.
Oh, that's a bit zoomed in, isn't it? I thought I'd mix in some highlighter with my foundation because I feel like that's something Mitchell probably does because the skin's quite dewy. So we are going to apply the NARS Copacabana Liquid Illuminator thing. It's not mine, it's my sister's, and I stole it because I'm out on my liquid highlighter. Sorry, Holly, if you're watching this. But to be fair, this is expired, I think. That's actually grimy, like this is 100% expired. Like I can feel it, like it smells. You know the smell of expired makeup?
So Holly, I'd actually recommend throwing that away if you are watching this.
But I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Y365 foundation stick. It's my favorite, you guys know. So I'm gonna also blend in some of my Born This Way with that. This is on a Zoeva, what brush is this? Zoeva Luxe Sheer, no, Luxe Flawless Face. What is it? Silk Finish. How did I get Flawless Face from Silk Finish? So I'm going over that with a beauty blender. I'm trying to be careful of my eyeshadow, but I don't think I'm doing a very good job. I might have to clean it up after I've set everything with powder, but I think that's all blended into my skin. Now we're looking very shiny because of that highlighter that we put like everywhere. I'm gonna go in with my NARS Soft Matte Complete Cover Concealer because this is the most full coverage concealer I own. And then I'm also gonna mix in some of the Too Faced Born This Way super full coverage. Not actually that full coverage, like it's full coverage, but it's not that full coverage, if you know what I mean. Yeah guys, so I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender once again. Okay, I'm gonna quickly set that with some powder. This is my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly go ahead, do my brows and stick on some lashes off of camera, and then I'll be right back with you guys to finish off my face. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I stuck on some lashes as well. These are Lily lashes in the style Goddess, because I wanted a lash that you could still see this eyeshadow through, because I'm quite proud of it.
And I also didn't do the brows the way he did them because mine are too thick for that. Like I can't get my eyebrows to look like that. It doesn't really work. And I think my lash is coming off my inner corner.
Love that for me. So I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Cheek Parade palette, and I'm gonna go in with Hoola. I'm gonna start like contouring my cheekbone. This is on a Morphe M403 brush, a really old M403 brush. Okay, so I'm now gonna go in with Give Me Sun by MAC on a 135 brush. That's not a 135 brush. That is a 135 brush. And I'm gonna apply this onto the perimeters of my face to add some more warmth back into my complexion, because Mitchell's skin looked really warm. Like the skin he created looked really warm. So, and now he did fake freckles, but I'm gonna do that last. I'm gonna do my lower lash line now. Let's see what he's done for this. Okay, so I can't really see what he's done for the lower lash line, so that's fun. So I'm just gonna sort of create something, I guess. So I'm gonna go in with this eye kohl. This is from L'Oreal, I think. It's just a black eye pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply purple under my lower lash line, on the outer corner. I'm actually going to apply the black underneath a little bit and then smoke it out. And then I'm going to apply the orange and pinky shades. And then once again applying the blue on my inner corner. Cool, okay, I'm going to spray my face with some Too Faced Hangover X setting spray. By some, I mean the whole bottle. I'm applying the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter onto the high points of my cheeks on a Anastasia A23 brush, favorite highlighting brush of all time. I applied that onto my cheekbones, down my nose. I'm also going to apply that on my forehead. I'm just waiting for it to dry a little bit more. And then I'm going in with the Dream Glow Kit by Anastasia, and I'm taking the shade Sunshine just over the top of that to add like more of like a sort of pinky, more intense highlighted tone to it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab an eyebrow pencil to draw my fake freckles with, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so I actually filmed my fake freckles off of camera because it was a lot easier that way, but looking at the lips, I think I'm just going to apply some lip scrub. So this is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Pumpkin Spice Latte flavor, because
I'm basic as hell.
So this is just the Jordana lip liner in the shade Tawny. This is my favorite one at the moment. It's so good. Super easy to apply, and it's quite similar to my natural lip shade, so it just sort of makes my lips appear a bit bigger. I'm gonna apply a lip gloss. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Estella. I was gonna apply Venus, but Estella's got more in it, so I'm gonna use Estella. I'm just gonna apply that all over my lip. I'm gonna press on some of the unicorn shade from the Dream Glow Kit, just like in the center of my lips. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna do my hair and then I'll be back with you guys to show you the final look. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. I now have this makeup on to just stand in my house in this hoodie, but I mean, I'm literally like glam from here up, and then just like pajamas. Yeah, I really hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new, and turn on my little post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. If you could tag Mitchell in this on Instagram, that would mean so much to me, because like amazing, I would love to see him see my work. Also, if you do want to follow me on Instagram, all my social medias are in the description box, because you know me and I've got to get that promo in. Other than that, that is it for today's video. So yeah, I really hope you guys did enjoy it. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, love you. Mwah.